They say every great journey starts with a single step. Mine started with a questionable decision, buying a 1923 BMW R32 that looked more like an abandoned boat anchor than a motorcycle. The frame? Rustier than a pirate's cutlass. The engine? Looked like it had hosted a family of raccoons. And the tires? Well, let's just say rubber was a distant memory. The restoration begins. Step 1. Disassembly. I took apart every nut, bolt, and mystery goo-covered component. Cleaning and repairing. Imagine power washing a century's worth of grime off a metal skeleton. It was oddly therapeutic, like giving an old warrior a bath after a long, long nap. The breakthrough moment. After months of late nights, bruised knuckles, and more caffeine than the human body should legally consume, it was time. The first start. First start and roar to life. I turned the key, took a deep breath, and kicked the starter, chug, chug, sputter, then roar. First ride and reflection. That first ride was magic. The old beast purred like a happy tiger, gliding down the road as if the last century had never happened. The final shot and closing message. And that, my friends, is how you bring a legend back to life.